On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the driver's side window switch on the 2017 Chevy Equinox. It's the same procedure from 2010 to 2017 Equinox. All you're gonna need is a tool like this to pop off the plate of the door panel. You're gonna go that way. There it is. There it is. Now we're going to unplug it. Push this tab in and pull the connector out. Do the same thing for this one. Now we're going to spread those I don't know what to call it, but it's like a it's a tab. You need to spread it like this. There is 4 of them, right? So this side, to on the other side. You're going to spread them and push the window switch from this side out. All right, there it is. You see, it's almost out. Now you're gonna apply pressure on the other side. Now let's disengage this side too. There it is. Here is the new one. Reverse of removal. You're gonna put it in and make sure you hear it click. Good. And now we're going to plug our connectors in, and that's it. That's about it, guys. Now we're going to make sure this is fully seated. All right. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.